Hello everyone, it's Mike here with All Bright Pressure Washing and more. Welcome to the channel. If you're dreading the yellow dust that seems to cover everything each spring, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the world of pine pollen, what it is and why it sticks around for so long. Pine pollen begins its journey in the early spring when pine trees release millions of tiny pollen grains into the air. This natural process is crucial for the fertilization of other pine trees. However, it's this very pollen that finds its way onto our cars, driveways, and windows, leaving an annoying yellow dusting everywhere. But have you ever wondered why it sticks to surfaces so persistently? The secret lies in the pollen's microscopic structure, designed to maximize its chances of fertilization. This structure, combined with static electricity, allows pollen to cling stubbornly to almost any surface it lands on. Now you might be asking, how long does pollen season last? Generally, the peak of pollen season can span a few weeks to a couple of months, depending on your location and the weather. The good news is, it doesn't have to be a headache for you. At All Bright Pressure Washing, we understand the challenges small businesses face, especially when dealing with the unexpected, like the timing of pine pollen season. It's these challenges that test our resilience and push us to innovate. So whether you're tackling pollen or paving the way in your industry, remember perseverance and adaptability are your greatest assets. Let's embrace the challenges, find solutions, and continue to grow and thrive together. So if you're battling the annual pine pollen invasion, don't fret. We're here to help you reclaim your spaces from the clutches of pollen. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more tips, tricks, and insights on keeping your property clean. Thanks for checking out our video, and we will see you on the next one.